how to delete search suggestions on your Instagram. Hello guys, so welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm going to show you how to delete the search easily and fast. First thing, open the Instagram and then go to your profile. As you can see right here, go to the top corner, you will find those three lines. Click on your activity, and now you have to scroll down until you find this recent searches option, as you can see. So click on it, and now you have to empty your search or click on clear the search. After that, you have to go into the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, search for Instagram and then search for it and click update to update it into the latest version. And if the problem is not solved yet, then you have to go back into your Instagram, go to your profile, go to the top corner, click on those three lines, click settings, click on this help option, click on report a problem, click on report problem without shaking, and then send a text message into the Instagram support team so they can help you easily and fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end.